Hello and welcome. Are you preparing to build a career in medical writing? If yes, you are at the right place. I'm Nandini from LLRI, and in next few minutes, I will tell you exactly how you can prepare to get placed as a medical writer, whether you aim for a full-time job or freelancing writing. Medical writing is a growing field. With more clinical research, new drug, healthcare innovations, and medical information needing clear communication, companies, research, organizations, health websites all need the good medical writers. As a medical writer, you can help to translate the complex medical data into clear, accurate information for the doctors, patients, regulators, or the public. So, this is a real and meaningful career suited for the people who like the science, health, writing, and helping to communicate the knowledge. To succeed in medical writing, there are a set of skills that you must have. Like the first one, good command over the language, grammar, and the writing skills. You must write the clear, correct, well-structured sentence, whether the content is for technical, like for the doctors or the regulators, or simple, like for the patients or the general public. Second, knowledge of the medical terminology and basic science or the clinical research concepts. You don't need to be a doctor, but you should learn the language of medicine, such as the disease, drugs, human body system, clinical trial phase, and the regulatory terms. Third, strong research and data interpretation skills. As a medical writer, you'll often read the research paper, clinical trial reports, scientific articles, and you must be able to understand, analyze, and summarize them correctly. Fourth, attention to detail and data integrity. Medical writing demands the precision. A small mistake in the medical facts or the data can mislead. So accuracy in the facts, numbers, terminologies, references are critical. Fifth, adaptability and the ability to write for different audience. Sometimes you write for the scientists or the doctors, and sometimes for the patient or general public style, and the tone must change accordingly. 6. Time management and project management skill. Medical writing jobs often come with the deadlines, multiple documents, and the revisions. So you need to manage the time, organize the task, and meet the deadlines. If you are coming from a background like the life science or you have studied the clinical research, you already have some foundation. But if you haven't, then you will need to build these skills from scratch. But that's possible with the practice and training. Now, how to build these skills? Here is a roadmap that can help you to prepare yourself for the medical writing jobs. First, take a course or certification. Enroll in the medical writing or the clinical research courses. This will help you to learn the medical terminology, basic of clinical research, scientific writing styles, and the regulatory guidelines. Second, read the scientific papers, research articles, clinical trial reports regularly. Practice summarizing them in your own words. This improves your understanding of the medical concepts, data interpretation, and writing clarity. Third, practice writing. Lots of writing. Try writing the sample articles, patient's education content, research summaries, disease overview, blog posts, plain language, summaries, etc. Then edit carefully. This will help to improve the grammar, clarity, structure, and the accuracy. Fourth, build a small portfolio even before you get a job. Use your sample writings to build an online portfolio or the document folder. Employers or the freelance clients often ask for writing samples to evaluate your skills. Fifth, learn referencing, formatting, and using tools. Familiarity with the word processing tools, referencing software, citation styles, they help to produce the professional documents. Also, learn about the ethical writing practices. Make sure to avoid the plagiarism and correctly cite the source. Sixth, develop the soft skills such as the communication, critical thinking, adaptability, teamwork, and time management. These are just important as your technical skills. You see, when you apply for a medical writing job, be it pharmaceutical company, a contract research organization, a medical communication agency, or as a freelancer, Here are the things that employers will look at. Good scientific or medical understanding, excellent clear writing and editing ability with attention to detail, adaptability to interpret and summarize the data, research finding, clinical trials result into clear language, adaptability like your ability to write for different type of content like the regulatory document, patient's information, articles, promotional material depending on your need, professional attitude like meeting the deadlines, maintaining the data integrity, following the guidelines or the regulatory requirements and working as a part of your team if required. If you prepare yourself with the skills and approach the described, trust us, your chance of getting hired or selected for a medical writing role goes up significantly. Now, all this sounds good in theory, skills, practice, portfolio and presentation. But the real question you must be thinking is, where do you get the right guidance, structured training and real placement support to make this career actually happen, right? This is exactly where the right institute makes a big difference. At LLRI, our medical writing training and courses are offered as a part of a larger clinical research program, giving you both the scientific foundation and specialized writing expertise under one roof. This is a great option, especially for the beginners or the people switching the careers. Also, with your background in commerce or the management or even as a teacher, you may already have the writing or the organizational skills. Pair them with your medical writing training and you can enter this growing career path. So, if you're serious about the medical writing career, take the first step today. Enroll in our certified courses at LLRI. Start building writing samples and prepare for the interview. Write to us or comment below and we will guide you step by step. Thank you for watching and subscribe us for more informative videos.